Good morning, students. What you are observing in the picture? Here a book named The Living Word. This is your new book of GSC for class 6th. This book contains how many chapters? 14 chapters in all. Out of these 14 chapters, 8 will be taken for the first term. Here we will start from our first chapter, that is our environment. Now, what is environment? If your answer is our surrounding is called our environment, well, this is the good answer. But as you know, you are growing. Some detailed meaning of environment is necessary to grab. For this, here a picture is given above the chapter. Let's make a perception about that. What this picture want to tell us? When we see this picture, by getting inside, here you are standing in between. See what I made here. This is you standing here. Now you are able to tell me you are surrounded by many things there. Can you tell me the name of that things? Your answer is definitely your answer will be the plants, from small grasses to the tall trees, animals, from microscopic bacteria to well developed human beings. These are the two prominent things which you are observing there, but something is hidden. I want to discuss about that. Can you tell me more things that surrounds you? Let me help you. First thing I want to describe, that is air, which you are taking for what? Breathing. Second is the water vapor present around you. Next one is the light coming from the sun, and the soil which is present on the upper surface of our planet Earth. Now all these things you can see that plants, animals, air, water, sunlight, soil, all these make our surrounding. And now we can conclude that our environment is our surrounding, which includes plants, animals, air, water, sunlight, soil, etc. Here I made a chart for you. Yes, this is. What is the meaning of environment? From where this word comes? Answer is that environ is a French word which means encircle. As encircle word is in English. So you can say that the things which encircles you, that make your environment, and the things which encircles you already told me, that are the plants, animals, air, water, sunlight, and soil. Now dear student, again I wrote here an example. For example, if you are sitting in a park, can you tell me the name of the things present around us? Let's start tabulating them. And we tabulated there. I wrote there. Then, now you will help me to do something. These are the 6 things given there. Can you tell me out of these which one are the living things and which one are the non-living things? Because you are not here before me, so I tabulate them in such a way you can see easily. Plants and animals, including human beings, comes in the category of living things, while air, water, sunlight, soil, that comes in the non-living things. Now I'm going to turn the chart. And what I wrote there, it means our environment is consist of two types of things. We can say there are two types of components. One are the living or biotic components. That includes plants and animals. Second, non-living or abiotic components that are air, water, sunlight, soil. So, we can conclude that we are surrounded by two types of things that are living and non-living. Living things or components includes plants and animals, while non-living things or components are air, water, sunlight, soil, etc. Here, let's make a flow chart for the above content. A flow chart is also made by me. See here. First of all, I wrote environment. Environment is having two components. This is the first one, this is the second one. What is first? Living or biotic component. And the second is non-living or abiotic component. What are the examples present in the living component? Plants and animals. And in non-living, air, water, sunlight, soil, etc. This is called the flow chart. If you are making in your notebook, you can easily distinguish between the two components of environment. Now, dear student, our environment is very necessary for us. If out of these components anyone is disturbed by us, there will be the harmful consequences comes before. That's why the 5th June is considered as the World Environment Day. Now, I'm just giving you some homework so that we can communicate well tomorrow. First is homework for you. Frame 5 questions from page number 1 of your textbook, My Living World. And second, to omit the common error to spell out environment, write the word 5 times in your rough notebook. That is environment. Because I have observed students normally made a mistake to write down the spelling of environment. Here, definitely you can give me the response about my teaching. Have a good day.